I was a bit sceptical at first on what lies ahead taking a university course within a college campus. And if you are happy within the college as a whole to progress, then absolutely stay on, because it's not only slightly cheaper in terms of tuition fees, but also for the excess tutoring that you get, as much help as you would want from your tutors, and also potential location benefits.
I was started from BTEC level 2 and worked my way up. And just the same as Charlotte, I didn't initially decide to go to university. The fact that you're in a smaller class is definitely helpful, because it's tailored to how you're doing.
Yeah.
So it's like, how are you getting better? How are you struggling? How do you improve on your assignments?